Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, a registered account and cloud save so you won't lose progress. Once done, focus on quick wins, finish the tutorial races, and hit player level 5 to open the full garage. Make sure to collect every starter reward, coins, a small gold stash, and car tokens. Then go straight to the in-game store and check daily offers. You want early cheap car shells or blueprints to start building while you grind. This gets you moving fast. You should prioritize consistent methods. Buy blueprints in the store or claim them from seasonal events because assembling fragments is reliable. Once you have fragments, craft the car. Make sure to plan for 3-10 fragments depending on rarity. Meanwhile, participate in timed events and daily challenges to earn guaranteed cars and tokens. If you need a specific model fast, check the auctions or marketplace often and set max bids. This lets you finish by assembling the car fragments and immediately upgrading core parts to unlock performance tiers. Don't skip initial upgrades because they impact drivability. Once assembled, fit available parts and adjust tuning presets, then test the car in a time trial to confirm handling and top speed. If you encounter missing fragments or a stalled progression, first check your mailbox and event shops for unclaimed rewards. If that fails, re-roll limited store offers and prioritize exchanging duplicate parts so you can complete the build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.